Okay, good morning. Finally, natapos na rin yung build ni Sir Ace Kim. Panigale V4 2025 7th Gen. Unang upgrade, yung NRC tail tidy. Full 6 carbon parts. Moto Force chain adjusters. Brembo GP2 brakes. Arrow titanium exhaust, carbon covers exhaust, subframes, bulk covers, cylinder bulk covers, mainframe cover, upper tank cover, seat cover. So, dito. May tatlong Moto Corsa ng parts dito, which is the reservoirs. Especially yung top triple clamp. Ganda. Super lightweight. RCS 17, RCS 16, WRS windshield, full 6 lever guard, full 6 winglet. Naka Evotech Ducati Performance na radiator guards. Especially na GP4 MS fin version brakes. Guwapo. Ito pa, Moto Corsa pa. Moto Corsa timing inspection cap, side stand. Ito, sobrang ganda. Sinasabi ko na dati, yung ano na to, yung fin na to, para madaling sipain. Yung stock kasi wala na ito. Again, yung mga carbon parts na nakakabit dito, hindi lang siya basta forma. Ano na rin siya, it serves as a protection. Maganda rin sa carbon is na re-repair siya, madaling ma-repair. Ito, laking tulong nito. In case na mag-slide ka para hindi magasgasan yung swing arm. Pero yung carbon, syempre, talagang pogi talaga. Pogi talaga ng bike mo. Dang. Panigale V4S 2025 7th Gen. Thank you for trusting JYP Racing. Peace out.